it? How did you hear about it?
I follow the guy.
Dusty.
Yes.
Also
Yes.
known as Rusty.
I haven't had a haircut in a long time.
Okay.
And I knew that the next time I got it, I wanted to be at a place that like specializes in curly hair.
Yeah.
I've done it once before, but that was like maybe 4 years ago.
Okay. What do you think is something that you're trying to lean into when it comes to your hair? Like, are you trying to embrace the fact that it's, you know, eclectic? Like, when you look at your hair like this, are you like, insane, no way I would wear this? Or is this kind of like, I'm kind of into it?
I honestly, I love the poofier vibe. I've always, like, a defined hairstyle's cute,
Sure.
and I've done it before, but I love, like, kind of a poofier, like, messy flip around, like, layered textured,
Yeah.
goddess type thing.
Those are the words.
Yeah. I'm not mad at this. It's dry. It's kind of crispy.
Yeah.
And I think that's just because it's been a while and like naturally with the environment, and sometimes I diffuse as well.
Yeah.
So like over time,
Yeah.
without getting a trim, it just kind of turned into this. So
Okay. I like everything that you're saying so far. I mean, usually when somebody comes and sits in my chair, obviously I'm taking in what you're saying and I'm listening for like key points. Usually when somebody comes and sits in my chair, obviously I'm taking in what you're saying and I'm listening for like key points that are popping up, and I'm like, okay. But at the same time, I'm looking at you and I'm like puzzling stuff together. I'm like, okay, what do I like what's happening? What would I do with this?
Yeah.
So before you even said anything, I already have a picture of what I want your hair to look like in my head.
Yes.
So the thing that follows after that is just me hoping that everything you're saying matches up with everything that I'm thinking.
Yeah.
So 100%. Looking at you right now, I fucking love your hair. I love it. Do we need to like freshen up some ends and give it a nice shape, but with tons of movement? Yeah, because you know, it's been a minute since we had a last haircut, not to mention a dry curly cut specifically. So that's going to help with all what you're feeling, like these varying things happening. Because I mean, if we stretch everything out, sure, it matches up all the way down here when it's pulled top.
Right.
But then you let it go and these, you know, come up here, and then you start to have this disconnect everywhere. You start to feel a little more chaotic than you probably would have to, especially with the different varying lengths going on.
Yeah.
Right? So I like the different varying lengths going on in your hair because it does give like that goddess, like beachy vibe, you know, and but we're definitely going to be picking up the layers because even when we bring it forward, I love the fullness that we have, but it's where the fullness is hanging out, and then, you know, we have the varying pieces happening, so it's like all in here. So I'd like to, you know, shift all that.
Oh yeah. Oh my god, yeah.
Yeah, all that up. So we have a lot of action like going through the whole thing. And then I'm going to start, because I can always lop off more from the ends. I'm going to bring it up, shape it, and then if we need to, if I want to, if you want to, then we'll pick it up even more. But we're going to work bringing the layers up, shortening and reframing the face. So especially when you put your hair up, we have a lot more going on in here. And then, just bringing up that length. And then once we get to the bowl, we'll start going through the products that we use here. We use Intersense. So I don't know if you saw that in your perusing of social media. It's a very clean, organic line. We've been using that for about the past 10 years, I want to say. And it's the only line that I've seen that will actually heal the hair over time.